Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm standing here in front of something truly fascinating, a place that holds a ton of mystery, history, and a little bit of dark drama. This is the Delaval Mausoleum, hidden deep within the landscape, and it's as eerie as it is intriguing. Let me take you on a journey through its incredible backstory. Built in 1775, this structure is designed in the Roman Doric style. Definitely not something you'd expect to find out here in the middle of nowhere. It's got a cruciform layout with a chapel above a vaulted crypt. Sounds pretty ominous, right? And here's the thing, the crypt was meant to hold coffins, kind of like a morgue. But ironically, it was never used for its original purpose. This entire mausoleum was commissioned by Sir John Hussey Delaval as a tribute to his son John, who tragically passed away in 1775 at just 20 years old. And the story of his death? Well, it's a bit of a tragedy in itself. Legend has it that he was fatally kicked by a laundry maid he was pursuing. Yeah, you heard that right. Killed by a kick to the organs. I know, it sounds almost unbelievable, but that's what history says. Now, despite the grand design, this mausoleum was never actually consecrated. Sir John refused to pay the Bishop of Durham's fee to get it blessed, which means this structure was basically left to stand empty. By 1847, the Delaval family name had gone extinct, and this place just sat here, abandoned, a relic of the past, forever incomplete. Fast forward to around 1900 though, and people tried to breathe new life into the mausoleum. They added brick partitions, another floor, and even some fireplaces, trying to turn it into a house. But that second life didn't last long. By the 1950s, the place had already started falling into ruin. And here's the twist in the tale. In 1949, the roof sled was stolen. That theft pretty much sealed the building's fate, as the elements really started taking their toll on the structure after that. Thieves were even making headlines, with a man named Burke from Shiremore caught in the act. Imagine it, this beautiful building, slowly decaying piece by piece. Look at these steps. You can still see the craftsmanship, but they're crumbling away, just like the columns that once stood tall and proud. Now here's the final piece of this eerie puzzle, the crypt entrance. It's still there, but notice, it's completely empty. No offerings ever filled these niches, and the structure never served the purpose it was built for. It stands here as a reminder of what could have been, what was lost, and what will never be. So there you have it, the Delaval Mausoleum, a grand yet abandoned relic that tells the story of love, loss, and a series of unfortunate events. A place that should have been a tomb for a beloved son, but instead remains a ghost of history. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mysterious locations like this. Catch you next time. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update, and feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.